Have you ever thought about starting a group home business? An intriguing concept, isn't it? Group homes play a vital role in society, providing a supportive and empathetic environment for individuals with mental disabilities. These homes are more than just a shelter. They are a sanctuary where residents can learn, grow, and live with dignity. Embarking on this journey requires more than just a noble heart. It calls for comprehensive research, thorough planning, and a keen understanding of the specific needs of your prospective residents. It's about navigating the maze of regulations, licenses, and legal considerations, and it's about finding the right location, staff, and services to ensure the comfort and well-being of your residents. This endeavor may seem daunting, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. This video guide will break down the process of starting a group home into clear, manageable steps. Understanding the field is the first step to starting a group home. And so, we delve into the realm of research and understanding. Let's start with regulations and licensing. These are the guiding principles that will shape how you operate your group home. Each region has specific rules about staff qualifications, facility standards, and a myriad of other factors. It's crucial to dig deep into these regulations, understanding them not as obstacles, but as the scaffolding that will support your group home's operations. Next, we turn our focus to the target population. The world of mental disabilities is incredibly diverse, covering a wide spectrum of needs and requirements. Understanding these differences is vital. It's about more than just knowing the facts. It's about empathy, about putting yourself in the shoes of the individuals you aim to serve. It's about looking at the world through their eyes and understanding their unique needs. But understanding the needs of your target population extends beyond the individuals themselves. It's also about understanding their families, their communities, and the broader societal context in which they live. Remember, a group home is more than just a place to live. It's a supportive environment that helps individuals navigate the complexities of their lives. And then there's the business side of things. This is where your understanding of regulations and your target population come together. You'll need to outline your mission, goals, and services offered, along with staffing needs, funding requirements, and a budget for both startup and ongoing operations. It's about creating a business plan that lays the foundation for your group home, ensuring it's not just a dream, but a viable, sustainable reality. Understanding the field is not a one-time process. It's an ongoing journey, one that requires continuous learning, adaptation, and growth. As you navigate this journey, remember that your ultimate goal is to create a group home that provides a supportive, nurturing environment for individuals with mental disabilities. With solid research and understanding, you can navigate the complexities of this business more effectively. And with that, we are ready to move on to the next step: business planning. A well-thought-out business plan is the backbone of any successful venture. This statement rings particularly true when starting a group home business. A business plan allows you to outline your mission and goals. What's your purpose for starting a group home? Who do you aim to serve? These are critical questions that need clear answers. Perhaps your mission is to provide a nurturing and supportive environment for individuals with mental disabilities. Your goals could include helping your residents improve their life skills or foster their independence. Next, identify the services you'll be offering. Will you focus on healthcare, therapy, recreational activities, or a combination of these? The services you choose must align with your target population's needs. For instance, if you're catering to individuals with severe mental disabilities, your services could include round-the-clock healthcare, occupational therapy, and social engagement activities. Staffing needs are another key aspect of your business plan. You'll need caregivers, medical professionals, counselors, and administrative personnel. But remember, it's not just about filling positions. It's about hiring compassionate individuals qualified to handle the unique challenges that come with running a group home. Then comes the financial side of things. How will you fund your group home? You'll need to calculate the costs for staff salaries, utilities, maintenance, and other operational expenses. Also, consider your funding options. Would you rely on grants, loans, or fundraising efforts? Or perhaps a mix of all three? Alongside the financial aspect, the budget for both startup and ongoing operations is integral to your business plan. It's a financial blueprint that helps you keep track of your income and expenses, ensuring your group home remains financially healthy. Finally, consider the location and facility. The property for your group home should not only be accessible, but also safe and comfortable for your residents. Factors like the size of the property, its proximity to healthcare facilities, and the neighborhood safety profile should influence your choice. In conclusion, a business plan is not just a document but a comprehensive guide to your group home business. It helps you stay focused on your mission, manage your resources effectively, and navigate through challenges that may arise. A sound business plan will provide a roadmap for your group home business. Scene script. Legal and financial considerations are crucial in setting up a group home. When it comes to the legal structure of your business, there are several options you might consider. You could operate as a sole proprietor, which means you alone own the business. Alternatively, you might choose to establish a limited liability company or LLC, which can provide some protection from personal liability. Nonprofit status is another option, especially relevant for a group home, as it can open up funding opportunities and tax benefits. It's wise to consult with a legal expert to understand the implications of each structure and ensure compliance with local laws. Next, let's talk numbers. Starting a group home involves various costs, from property acquisition and renovation to staffing and operational expenses. You'll need to factor in staff salaries, utilities, maintenance, insurance, and any special equipment or modifications necessary for the residents' needs. It's essential to calculate these costs meticulously to avoid surprises down the line. But don't let the numbers scare you. There are several avenues to secure funding for your group home. You might consider a traditional business loan or a mortgage if you're buying property. Grants can be a good source of funding, especially for nonprofits, and there are many available specifically for group homes and services for people with mental disabilities. Fundraising efforts, such as community events or online campaigns, can also help raise the necessary funds. Remember, a solid financial plan is not just about covering startup costs. It's also about ensuring the ongoing sustainability of your group home. You'll need to account for ongoing expenses like food, utilities, staff salaries, and maintenance, and ensure you have sufficient revenue or funding to cover these costs. Finally, keep in mind that legal and financial considerations don't end once you've started your group home. Laws and regulations can change, and financial needs can evolve. Stay informed and be prepared to adapt as necessary. Proper legal and financial planning can help avoid any unnecessary hurdles in the future. The quality of your staff will directly impact the quality of care in your group home. This statement rings true as the sun at noon. Your staff represents your group home, and they are the ones who will interact with the residents on a daily basis. In the quest to create a compassionate and nurturing environment, it is essential to employ the right individuals. This team will include caregivers, medical professionals, counselors, and administrative personnel. Each role is crucial, each individual a cog in the machine that drives the success of your group home. Staffing a group home isn't just about filling roles, it's about finding individuals who possess a unique blend of qualifications. These include professional competence, empathy, patience, and a genuine desire to make a difference in the lives of those they serve. Hiring the right people can be a challenging task, but it's one that's worth every ounce of effort. But hiring is only the first step in the journey. Training is what transforms a group of individuals into a cohesive team capable of providing the best care possible. A comprehensive training program is a must-have, not a nice-to-have. It's an investment in your staff, which in turn is an investment in the quality of service your group home provides. Training should be ongoing, covering a wide range of topics such as emergency procedures, resident rights, communication skills, and specific care techniques relevant to your target population. It's also important to provide training on mental health conditions and disabilities, ensuring your staff can meet the unique needs of each resident. A well-prepared team is a confident and effective one. Remember, your staff will be the face of your group home. They are the ones who will turn the vision and mission of your group home into reality. A well-staffed and well-trained team can make a world of difference in the lives of your residents, providing them with the care, respect, and dignity they deserve. In conclusion, the backbone of any successful group home is its staff. Well-trained, compassionate staff are the heart of a successful group home. With the right team, your group home will not just exist, but thrive, creating a safe and nurturing environment for those who call it home. The services and support your group home offers are crucial to the well-being of your residents. These are the pillars that uphold the structure of your establishment and play a significant role in enhancing the quality of life for the individuals you serve. First and foremost, let's talk about the services your group home will offer. It's not just about providing a roof over their heads, it goes far beyond that. Your services should be comprehensive and tailored to the needs of your residents. This could include an array of healthcare services, therapeutic activities, recreational opportunities, and life skills training. The goal is to create a nurturing and supportive environment that encourages growth, independence, and, most importantly, happiness. Healthcare services should be robust and holistic, encapsulating physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Therapy could range from speech and occupational therapy to counseling and art therapy, depending on the needs of your residents. Recreational activities could be as simple as game nights, garden walks, or music sessions. These activities serve to foster a sense of community and camaraderie among residents. Life skills training is another crucial aspect, empowering residents to gain independence and confidence in their daily lives. Now, let's move on to the support aspect. Establishing a group home is not a solitary endeavor. It requires collaboration and partnerships with various entities. You can establish ties with local healthcare providers, therapists, community organizations, and government agencies. These partnerships can tremendously enhance the support network for your residents, providing them with an extended community that is invested in their well-being and growth. Another significant part of this is keeping the lines of communication open with the families or guardians of your residents. Regular updates, open houses, and family days can go a long way in building trust and ensuring that your residents' loved ones are actively involved in their lives. In conclusion, the services and support you offer should be a reflection of your mission and values. They should aim not just to provide care, but to uplift and empower. Comprehensive services and a strong support network can greatly enhance the quality of life for your residents. Creating awareness about your group home is essential to its success. In today's interconnected world, a well-thought-out marketing strategy can be a game-changer for your group home business. This strategy should not only highlight the unique services your home provides, but also the positive impact it makes on the lives of its residents. Start by identifying the channels that are most effective for reaching your target audience. These could include local newspapers, social media platforms, or community bulletin boards. Remember, your message should be clear, concise, and compelling, emphasizing how your group home fulfills a critical need in the community. Engagement with the community is another key aspect of your marketing and outreach efforts. Participate in local events, sponsor community activities, or host open houses to give people a first-hand look at your group home. These initiatives not only raise awareness, but also foster a sense of community, making your group home an integral part of the neighborhood. Now let's talk about relationships. Building strong relationships with key stakeholders is crucial. These stakeholders include the families or guardians of potential residents, healthcare providers, and organizations that work with individuals with mental disabilities. Regular communication with these stakeholders can provide valuable insights into the needs and preferences of your target population, enabling you to continuously improve your services. Networking events are a great opportunity to forge these relationships. They allow you to meet like-minded individuals, share experiences, and learn from each other. Don't forget the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Satisfied residents and their families can become your most effective brand ambassadors, spreading positive word about your group home in their circles. Lastly, remember that marketing and outreach is not a one-time effort. It requires persistence and adaptability. Monitor the effectiveness of your strategies and be ready to tweak them as needed. Stay responsive to the changing needs of your community, and your marketing efforts will surely yield positive results. Effective marketing and networking can help your group home reach the right audience and build a positive reputation. With the right approach, your group home can become a beacon of hope and support for individuals with mental disabilities in your community. Continuous improvement is key to the long-term success of your group home. It's the fuel that keeps the engine of progress running smoothly and ensures that your home stays at the forefront of care and support for those with mental disabilities. Let's start with feedback mechanisms. Think of these as your compass, guiding you towards better service provision. It's essential to set up systems that allow for input from various sources. The residents, their families, and your staff all have unique perspectives on how your home operates. Their insights can unveil hidden opportunities for improvement. Whether it's a suggestion box in the lobby, regular meetings, or anonymous online surveys, find a method that encourages everyone to share their thoughts and ideas. Next, we have adaptability. The world of mental health care is always evolving, with new treatments, therapies, and best practices emerging regularly. Staying updated with these changes can help your group home adapt and improve its services. Consider attending industry conferences, subscribing to relevant publications, and joining professional networks. These platforms can provide valuable knowledge and insights that you can integrate into your operations. However, Adaptability isn't just about adopting new methods. It's also about being willing to reassess and adjust your current practices. If something isn't working as well as it should, don't be afraid to make changes. Remember, the goal is to provide the best possible care for your residents. Lastly, keep an open mind. The journey of continuous improvement is a winding road, filled with both successes and challenges. There will be times when you'll need to take a step back, assess, and recalibrate. But every step, every decision, every change is a stepping stone towards excellence. By being receptive to feedback and adaptable, your group home can continue to grow and provide excellent care. Continuous improvement isn't just a strategy, it's a mindset. Embrace it and watch as it transforms your group home into a beacon of support and care for those who need it most. Starting a group home is a rewarding but challenging venture. Over the span of this video, we've delved deep into the various aspects of setting up a group home. From understanding local regulations and meeting licensing requirements to creating a comprehensive business plan. We've explored selecting the right location and facility, deciding your business's legal structure, calculating finances, and understanding staffing and training needs. We've also underlined the importance of planning comprehensive services and fostering collaborations to support your residents. We've talked about community engagement, networking, and the necessity of continuous improvement through feedback and adaptability. Remember, your group home is not merely a business. It's a haven for individuals who need support and care. It requires your dedication, empathy, and a commitment to providing a nurturing environment. Your mission is to collaborate with relevant organizations and experts to ensure the best possible care for your residents. With the right planning, understanding, and commitment, you can create a group home that truly makes a difference.